What does retinol do? Retinol is a form of vitamin A which speeds up the skin cell turnover. This can result in a more brighter, youthful complexion. It can also stimulate collagen production, which can help with plumping fine lines and wrinkles and also help fade hyperpigmentation. Because of those cell turnover benefits, it has the ability to lightly resurface the skin. This is also great for targeting concerns of acne, as it can decongest pores and balance oil flow. Also improving the skin texture and appearance of large pores. No wonder it is one of our favourite ingredients. Just a little disclaimer to avoid the use of all retinol serums if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. How to use retinol. We have developed 4 levels of encapsulated retinol. Level 1 being 0.25%, Level 2 being 0.5%, Level 3, 0.75%, and Level 4 being 1% encapsulated retinol. Once you have finished your bottle of Level 1 and your skin is loving it, you can move on to Level 2 and so on. When you start using retinol, it is very common to notice a little bit of redness, sensitivity, dryness, and sometimes even a little bit of flakiness within the skin. This is quite common. It is important to only use your retinol serum over night time, using a small pea-size amount every second or third night just to ease the skin into those new active ingredients. That way you'll start to see those benefits and that glow with little to no irritation and dryness. When to apply your retinol serum in your current skincare routine. After double cleansing, apply and massage a pea size of your retinol serum into the skin, just being cautious to avoid the under eye area, the corners of the nose and the sides of the mouth if you are sensitive. Once your retinol serum has absorbed, you will follow that with your moisturizer or a moisturizing oil. We don't need another excuse to apply our sunscreen, but just make sure you are wearing a sunscreen daily if you are using a retinol in your skincare routine, as retinol can make you slightly more sensitive to the sun. If you have any other questions about retinol, vitamin A, or any other products, reach out to our skincare experts today.